Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 5 of Generative AI Unpack. I have already discussed about role-based prompting, but there is some disadvantage of this prompting technique. Or you can say in some cases this prompting technique doesn't work as per the expectations. So to come across this problem, there is one more prompting technique which is widely used for mostly for the advanced level prompting, which is named as Markdown prompting technique. And today I will discuss about this particular prompting technique. So, and at the last I will show you how to make a AI agent with this particular prompting technique, and how you can use that AI agent to make social media post on daily basis, like here, within a minute. Okay, so let's discuss about it, and please watch the video till the end because the video will be very interesting. Okay guys, so before diving deep into Markdown prompting technique, I will suggest you please watch the role-based prompting. I will provide you the link of that video in my description of this video. Okay, so what is Markdown prompting actually? So if I go with the bookish overview or introduction of Markdown prompting, it says like it's a prompting structure for LLM, large language models, that ensures clarity, consistency, and efficiency in AI interactions. What that does mean actually? If I take an example, suppose you are writing a document. In that document, what you do, you put some headings, some subheadings, and if you also put some text in bold, in italics, so that whoever is reviewing your particular document in the future point of time, he or she can understand that what points you have mentioned and where they have to prioritize those things. Now this is very easy for human eyes, but being an AI agent, it's not so easy to understand bold text or headings or italics, all these things. So to define those things so that the AI agent can understand and can interpret it like that way, so that it can prioritize the instruction, the set of instruction that you are giving in a comparative way. There is some techniques to write the prompts, and those prompting technique is called Markdown prompting actually. So coming to structure of the prompts with Markdown, there is what I have already mentioned, like headers, list, code blocks, all those things, and triple backticks, define data and output formats, and ensure consistency with cleanup output format. Okay, and then there is called Markdown prompts framework. It's actually a framework where some key components always you should follow, like asking for the primary task, then what is the context of it, what on what background in on what context you are wanting it to provide you the information, and if you give it some examples like those. Also some constraints, some limitation for accurate responses is required, like you are limiting it to provide you information in that boundary only. Okay, then what is the benefits and applications of it? So the key benefits are the always the architecture. The architecture looks good. It's readable. It's readable by AI easily, and AI can take decisions on it easily, and it helps the AI to give you the actual output without like without giving you bad outputs format. And also what applications are there, actually who are in the jobs, they are mostly the marketing campaigns. It's really helpful in email marketing or social media campaigns and paid advertising. Those are actually very helpful if you write the post like that way. Okay, then I will show you an example how actually the particular markdown prompting is written, and here is the example, and we will come to this example later point of time when I will demonstrate you the particular AI agent building. And few things that always keep in mind, the heading, if it is you want to write some heading, then use it like this, hash double stop, then the heading content, then ending with double star or asterisk. Then subheadings you can use double hash, then followed up by a double asterisk, then whatever the subheading is, then ending with double asterisk. And you can use more hashes to create subheading headings like that way. Always the bold text is defined by double asterisk, then the particular text which you want to make AI read as bold or prioritized, and then ending with double asterisk. The italics are defined with single asterisk, and inside the single asterisk the particular text. This is the format. This is these four things. If you keep it in your mind and while writing prompt, I will assure you that when you will provide that particular prompt to your AI agent, that AI agent will perform more accurate than ever. And last of all, what is the implementation? So it says about that all I have that mentioned, actually the format, framework, and also the efficiency, robustness, and standardization of the input that you are providing. Okay, so here comes to the end of what markdown prompting actually is. Next, what we will do, we will discuss about this particular prompt. Actually, this prompt that I have made to create a social media chat bot, or you can say social media agent. What this agent will do, actually, this agent will create social media post daily basis. Okay, we will suggest you good post on daily basis. So let's see what I have written in this particular prompting. So this is a heading as I have showed to you, and it says about role. So you are an experienced social media post writer who generates image or handwritten post for social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or X or Twitter, and your objective it is also a heading, and your objective is to research and create sarcastic, realistic and non-offensive. Look, here I am making this particular portion as bold so that my AI agent prioritize these constants while creating post, while suggesting me for post, uh, offensive post with humor uh, on any given topic as an input, and the context is any as per the given in the input. So in the input I will put some line or some context, and it will research it on it, and it will provide me a humorous uh, but non-offensive, sarcastic and realistic jokes on it. And next, in the instruction section, I am writing inside the subheading instruction 1. This is a subheading: access over the internet and go thorough research on the topic and then generate the most relevant 10 posts. So I want 10 posts only in on the topic that I am giving. Next is in the instruction 2, post should be non-religious. Again I am making it as bold so that AI prioritize this particular portion, and dynamic, and should be in such a format that it hits maximum audience and should go viral. Okay, in the instruction 3 I am writing like, make sure you do a deep analysis on each of your 10 suggested posts and provide me a score on the basis of virality, humor and offensive index. So I am asking it to suggest that uh, the score on basis of virality, how much viral the post will be, or the how much humor the post contains, or how much it is offensive or non-offensive, like that. And in the instruction 4 I am giving it that it should make post in English, Bengali and Hindi language relatively, as most of the audiences are from, specially I am giving some region from where my followers, social media followers are being. Okay, they are from West Bengal, Bihar, UP, Delhi and Maharashtra. Okay, so now what we will do, uh, we will come to Gemini. Why I am using Gemini to create this agent? Because it's free. Okay, uh, you can use ChatGPT also, but that's not free actually. That's why. Okay, so in the Gemini, if you log in into the Gemini, here in the Gemini, the agents are actually called as gems. So you have to click on explore gems, you will get this option, and then in the new gem you have to give when you will click on it, it will open like this prompt for you, and here you have to fill few things like the name of the gem. So we will give it a social media post creator. Okay, in the description section you can give like this agent will help to create social media posts within, help to suggest, it will suggest social media post within minutes on any topic. Okay, in the instruction now, this is the main section where actually Markdown prompting will actually work. We will give this instruction. Okay, now I am putting it cool. And you can always put attach some file as uh, for giving input for the agent knowledge, but in this case I will not provide anything, but because it's actually uh, creating post on everyday basis. Okay, and then what I will do, I will save it. Okay, and it's creating the uh, gem or the agent, you can say, and it has created it. And now start chat. Okay, okay, the Gemini has created your first AI agent actually, which is a social media post creator. Okay, now here you can give any topic and it will give you like 10, it will suggest you 10 most realistic and relevant and humorous jokes on it. Okay, so I am, suppose I am writing like AI is taking jobs, and look, and it is giving the post in 3 languages, as I have already mentioned to it, that it will be providing me a post with English, Bengali and Hindi in this 3 language. Okay, so it has already suggested me 10 realistic, sarcastic and non-offensive posts that I have already mentioned to it in the instruction, and what it is saying in the post idea. Look, a sad looking human holding will code for food sign standing. This is the post idea it is giving, image post idea actually it is giving, and what will be the caption? Replaced by a chatbot that doesn't need a salary, a coffee break or emotional support. I have achieved peak efficiency. Okay, like this it has already given me 10 suggested me 10 joke, and if you see, I one more joke I am reading out. I used to complain about Mondays, now I complain about every day being a Saturday because I am unemployed and the robot works 24/7. Careful what you wish for. Okay, and then in the post analysis score it is also giving what is the virality index, humor index and offensive index. And if you see, the most virality index is having post number 1 and post number 4, so we will go for 4 and just see what it is saying. LinkedIn posts, slightly sarcastic professionalism. Thrilled to announce my career shift. I am now a prompt engineer, which is a fancy way of saying I politely ask a computer to do the work I used to do. Innovation. Okay, and it is giving me the relevant hashtags as well. Okay, now as I have told that I will show you to how to create a realistic image also for your post, so that the post will be most eye-catching on the same joke. Okay, so I will copy this particular thing and I will go to here, new chat. Here I will ask banana. Okay, and I will paste the particular joke and ask it, please create a most relevant art image with the above joke that covers every aspect of the joke. Also include the hashtags on the image, and I will wait for few minutes, not few minutes actually. Okay, it has already created. Look, and if you look at how beautifully it has created, and it actually covers every aspect of the particular job. Thrilled to announce my career shift. I am now now into a prompt engineer. Way of saying, I politely ask my computer to run work I used to do, innovation. Okay, and it is giving me the hashtags as well. So, and you can directly download this thing, and you can post it over your social media, and that's actually very uh, beautiful one, and it's really a very time saving one as well. You can't think in so much innovative things to post in your social on daily basis, and it's really time taking if you are doing it by your own on everyday basis. And if you leave it on this particular agent, I mean to say you have created this agent, and every time you can come to it, and you can ask it to suggest some post which is a sarcastic one. It will suggest you for the post, and you can easily copy it, and within a minute you can create a beautiful post without much effort. In a very minimal effort you can do it. So that's it for guys. So like this markdown prompting help, and congratulations that we have built actually our first AI agent, and we have seen how it works actually, and how it actually minimize our daily basis effort as well. So that's it for today. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and share it more, so that more people can learn about it and use it in an easy way. Okay, thank you.